Lindy. So a few of you guys replied saying that you wanted to see other dorms at Ole Miss. You have asked, and now here I am, you've received. I have trekked over to Martin, one of the traditional dorms here at Ole Miss, and I'm with Mary Caroline. Mary, where are you from?
I'm from Tupelo, Mississippi. So I really like neutral colors. I don't like a lot of pop of color, and basically our entire room is silver, white, and gray, and the only color we have are the lamps, which are blue. And I think blue goes with a lot of things.
That makes it look non-cluttered and like
Yeah.
calming.
Right. These pieces that I have right here on the desk, also on the chest, and then in my hutches, they're all from a boutique in Tupelo called Old Claire's.
Okay.
And they're just very simple, crystal, gold, clear pieces that I really enjoy. My favorite part of the room is probably the pillows. They're really different. They're very metallic-y, silver, and that's just how I like it.
So I know some people at Ole Miss will sell their stuff at the end of the year. Are you going to sell it or keep it and reuse it?
Well, my roommate, Ryan Williamson, she has a sister coming to Ole Miss next year, so she's getting the entire room, except I'm taking the painting. The local artist did it in Tupelo.
So this is the chest that we had. I bought this from a previous girl that was in Martin. And the good thing about chests in the middle of the two beds is that you can put your refrigerator and your microwave in it. Some people have shelves for food and things like that, but unfortunately we don't have shelves in here, so all of our food is in our middle closet, and then there's outlets for the back. So that's really nice. And also, with your microwave and your refrigerator being in here, it doesn't look as cluttered.
Also, a water cooler is very beneficial. Instead of having to buy water bottles every week, you can carry them all the way to your room and unload them and put them in your refrigerator.
The water goes under here,
Just in a big water jug, and you can get these from
Home Depot. And if you want cold water, you push the cold button. And if you want hot water for mac and cheese, tea, or anything just basically hot, all you do is just push the red button, and it's really convenient. It usually gets really cold or really hot in your dorm room. This is a Dyson fan, and the really cool thing about this is it comes with a remote, and then it can blow up to 10 levels. You can turn the levels down or turn them up. You can also set a timer, rotate the fans. Me and my roommate, when we fall asleep, we usually put our fan on top of our footstool, and we just rotate it throughout the night, and then when we wake up, we can just put it back in the corner and keep it on all day to keep the air cool, and then we can also just turn it off with the click of a button. So these are hutches. They're basically shelves that go on top of your desk. They have mirrors in the back of them so that it makes the room look a lot bigger, and you can also see yourself. And also above, like on the bottoms of the shelves, they have LED lights, so you can just click them on and off. Under the desk skirts, you have 3 drawers and 1 drawer, and basically I just store everything that I need just on a daily basis, like makeup, if it's school supplies, things like that. So I like my space to be very clean, so I don't have a lot of stuff on my desk. So I typically just put my makeup mirror under here with also my makeup bag, and it just makes my desk look a lot nicer.
Some of the rooms are how my room was freshman year, just 2 closets, just like a walk-in straight shot type thing.
If you go to a corner room, and the corner rooms they end in 01, 06, 13, and 18. So there used to be 3 people to this room back when my mom was here, and so it's nice because you have 3 closets and the room is a lot bigger, so you have a lot more space. Me and my roommate share the closet, and so basically we put like our date party dresses and nicer clothes and jackets, and also we have our pantry in there as well. We still have our vacuum cleaner, and also on the top 2 shelves we have our cleaning supplies.
They are really the real winners here.
Yeah, I chose everything in the dorm room, and my roommate is very laid back, and what she liked and what she didn't like, she told me. It had a company from Tupelo, Maids Proper. They also have an Instagram, and they do a bunch of redecorating houses and refurbishing things. So basically they did the entire room. I picked out, the only thing I did was I picked out the fabric, the carpets, and everything else. They ordered it all, and then they brought it to the dorm and put everything in. All I had to do is sit back and wait.